Welcome to my channel, where I share natural health and wellness tips and tutorials to help us all thrive. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I create a natural cleaner with just white vinegar and tea tree essential oil. So this works because the white vinegar is a natural disinfectant and deodorizes, and the tea tree essential oil is a natural antibacterial and reduces the vinegar scent. So into a spray bottle, I add about 10 ounces of white vinegar. And then I add about 5 to 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. And then I just give it a good shake. So blending this mix directly into the spray bottle is awesome for the first couple of times you make it while you're trying it out. But if you find that you love it, then I suggest just pouring the tea tree essential oil directly into the full gallon of white vinegar so that it's just an easy refill from there. So I add about 60 to 120 drops of the tea tree essential oil to a full gallon of white vinegar, and that works out to be about 1 drop for every ounce, all the way to 1 drop for every 2 ounces. And then I just use it as a refill, and I spray it all around through the kitchen. I spray it on the kitchen table, and on the mirrors and the counter in the bathroom. And I love that it works really well. You don't have to rinse it, but it's safe around the kids, and it finishes to a nice, clean, spot-free shine. So that's about it for this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this helpful, and check out my other tips and tutorials here on YouTube and on Facebook and Instagram. And I'll see you in the next video.